Welcome back guys. In this video we are going to learn another command on our modify tab. It's called wall join. Now Revit does a really good job for joining walls, but let's take a look at this command and how it is very helpful. Now to demonstrate that, we are going to draw a couple more walls. So let's go back to architectural tab, click on a wall command, and the first wall we will select something like this generic brick wall. And I'm going to click here, click here, click here. I'm going to press escape, and now we're going to select a different kind of wall now. Let's select this CMU brick wall. So I'm going to click here and click here and join this wall here. I'm going to press escape twice. Now if you pay attention here, we are joining two different kinds of walls. Now the way Revit joins is we can look at it by actually using that modify tab and then join command. So let's let me tell you one thing. If you don't see these lines inside here, you need to go at the bottom here, and it says detail view level is set to medium. So you make sure you have that as medium or fine. If you set that to coarse, you won't be able to see those structure of the wall. Now we change this to fine. And now I'm going to click on this wall join command. Let's click on it, and now if I take my cursor to the corner of these joints, if I take this here, take this here, now let's click here actually, and let's click here. Now once I click on that, the option bar gets activated, and now we have few options here. So right now Revit is joining different kind of wall with these settings. So we're setting from the butt, and then we have this display setting. Let's say clean join. We have this don't clean join. As you can see, it changes, right? So once you change the display to don't clean join, you can actually see that way wall is joining. So this small wall is coming all the way to the end, and then this wall is going to join to that wall. Now let's say if I click on next here, as you can see now what's happening here is that this wall is going all the way up there, and then the small wall is joining to this bigger wall. And let's click on next again, and now we have a different kind of join. Now we have two more options: meter, square off. So as you can see in the square off, we have a little bit of curve here, the way wall is joining, and we have another option, disallow joins. So let's click on that and let's see what happens. So if I click on disallow joins, now these walls are not joined anymore. So I have to click here again, and I will click on allow join, and now it will join the wall again. Now it's joining a different way. So we are going to press Ctrl Z to undo. Now I want to just show this command in 3D so you get the better understanding what it's actually doing. Let's click on this doghouse icon or birdhouse icon. Let's click on that. Now we're looking at in 3D. Now I'm going to orbit to this side, and we can select this wall and change its orientation. Let's go back to level 1. I'm going to select this wall, and I'm going to click on this toggle to flip this wall. Now we go back to 3D by clicking here, and now we can actually see what is actually happening here. One more thing I can do, I can select all of these walls. We go to the properties and we set the top constraint to level 2, because this is like a very tall wall. Alright, so now I'm going to select that wall joins command. Let's click on that. Let's take our cursor to this join. Let's click on that, and now pay attention. Right now this brick wall is coming all the way to the end, and then the bigger wall is joining to this little wall. Now if I click on next, as you can see now that the big wall is coming all the way, and then it's joining. Now we click on next again, it will bring it back. Now if I click on this MITER, and now as you can see that it's actually joining both of these walls at the corner here. So it's kind of angle here. We have this square off option, so now this wall is coming all the way to the end, and then the other bigger wall is joining to this wall. Alright, so if on the square wall I click on next, and now this wall is coming all the way to the end, and then the little wall is joining to that wall. So this is how you can modify these joins by using this wall join command. Just play around with this and you will understand when to use these commands.